city out of rubbish because rubbish could hurt living animals. We're transforming egg boxes into egg boxes creations. Our project is Rubbish Transformers. We've been making chunky jewelry. We've made some paper. They use fire to burn it and it goes round and round like a life cycle and then it makes new things. We need water to survive. We're learning about how to save water. Our project is about planets. So my favourite part was making our weather scene. And we also made some touch trump cards about what our body water likes. Water's in danger because sometimes people don't look after water and they forget. Like crows need water. Like everything is made of water, even yourself. Half of you is made of water. Project is all about rocks and minerals. We made glass with a person that his name is Dave. At the very first step, we made the glass pieces with a roller. Also, this is Libby doing some soldering. So you put flux on, and then you put the soldering iron on. We made our own cards of top trumps, and this is the one I made. They're like emerald, ruby, these jades, and all those. My favorite thing about the project was the Starburst sweet experiment, where we crushed the sweets together and made sediment. Sediment is like crushed up rocks with the pressure of the earth. This term we've been learning about birds. Our project has been called Taking Flight. Throughout our project, we explored how birds are affected by environmental changes and how we can help make our school a safe and welcoming place for them. We also learned just how important birds are to the health of our planet. During this project, we had visitors come in and teach us about birds of prey up close. We also saw wetland habitats whilst on a trip to Morden National Park and Barnes Wetland Centre. A man came in with birds and we got to see them and touch them. My favourite part was holding the birds.
Our project is Consumer Choices, the power to save the world.
The world's landfills are mostly made out of clothes and food. We buy too much food that we don't need and then we just throw it away because we haven't eaten it and it goes out of date. We have put in the ground some different types of material like polyester, wool, nylon. So we're going to see how long it takes them to biodegrade.
We made upcycled outfits and clothes with old clothes.
And in art, we've also made plates with lots of foods on them. And we also learned about how we can dye clothes without using real dye.
Even if it's very expensive or more expensive, you should still get the better choice for the environment.